In this video, I'll show you how to enlarge the time icon on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now, look for build number. I have a Realme device, but if you're using Samsung or any other device, simply go to Software Information. Then, tap build number 7 times. This will unlock Developer mode. Next, search for or open Developer options. And look for Smallest Width. Here, you can adjust the value to enlarge icons or text on your phone. For example, I set mine to 320 to make the time icon larger. You can set it according to your preference. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.